Ordered something on Monday from eBay, from Power News. Got it on Wednesday. That was fast. Three different. Supposedly these are all 900 milliamp. This one's cool. Obviously it needs to be charged. This is something you could leave in your rear window and it'll just sit there and charge. That's why I thought that was cool. Were they less than 20 bucks? And this is the Black Web, 20,000 milliamp hours. I shot some fireworks. When I shot the fireworks, I had to set it up right underneath the fireworks. So I definitely needed a way to increase my recording time. I have a 400 gig micro SD card which lets me record more than 11 hours of 4K video. Not bad. Try them out. Ooh. I even got a compass. Definitely like that one for the winter. Rear window, always have a spare battery on you. And weight wise, probably has more power than this, I'm assuming. Although this one feels heavier. Cool.